Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect ClickUp with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to click here on the bottom left hand side. We're going to select settings, and here we're going to click on connectors, and we're going to say browse connectors. From the search bar, we're going to look for ClickUp. We're going to select the tool, and all we have to do here is to click connect. We're going to log in, we're going to authorize, and that's it. That's how easy it is to connect ClickUp with Claude. Now, before you get started, you can pay attention here to tools. So everything you see here is what Claude can currently do together with ClickUp. So update tasks, create tasks, and a lot more things. Ideally, you should have a conversation with Claude. Claude can explain what everything means, and you can also discover more opportunities on how to work together with ClickUp. So that's it for this video. That's how you can connect Claude to ClickUp. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.